Hello guys, welcome to KKR's channel. Today we are going to share with you 5 tips on how to choose a good quality solid surface product. Number 1, you need to avoid calcium powder used in the product. Lots of manufacturers use calcium powder to reduce costs. Calcium powder is cheap but fragile, and it will make the product more breakable.
When we test them with acid, the aluminum powder product is no reaction, while the calcium one has strong reaction. And for the color infiltration test, the aluminum powder has no color remain, but the calcium one has clearly color infiltration.
So, you definitely need to choose a solid surface product that is made from 100% aluminum powder. At KKR, we only use 100% aluminum powder, and our powder is only bought from the biggest brand in China to ensure the material is without impurities. Number 2, you need to mind how tiny the aluminum powder is, which will determine how finest the product surface can reach. And this will be much more important when it comes to white and dark colors, because in these colors, you can easily spot even slightly defects on the surface.
It is a rougher powder used in China for white and dark color solid surface. But in KKR, we choose 1000 grit for white and dark colors, which is 40% more delicate.
So you can get a perfect touch feeling and a longer lifetime product. Number 3, you need to choose a product that is made from good resin. In this industry, there are 2 types of resins as major material: ISO phthalic polyester resin, unsaturated polyester resin. When it comes to bathroom products like basin and bathtub that need to hold hot water occasionally, you must choose a solid surface that is made from 100% ISO resin.
In KKR, we insist 100% ISO phthalic polyester resin for bathroom series, and our resin is as good as DSM coating resin for yard.
When it comes to solid surface sheets, you can use a product that mixes with ISO phthalic polyester resin and unsaturated polyester resin. However, never choose a product that is made from 100% cheap resin, which will cause you unpredictable problems and much lesser lifetime. Number 4, be careful of the color paste brand.
LR color paste is the best one, and it should be your only choice, as what has been insisted by KKR for over 15 years. Let's see the difference of LR color paste and other color paste after 2 years yellowing. Number 5, for Toronto product, you need to carefully check if the granule is floating evenly. During production, the Toronto products are produced and shaped upside down. So, if the floating is not good, the granule will sink and gather in the lip of the product, which will make it very ugly and not natural for the whole finished product. And you can see the finished in the KKR. The floating is good evenly and the product is beautiful. Each of our Toronto style needs to be tested 40 to 15 times to confirm it's floating evenly and can go further for mass production without problems. And we have over 20 ready Toronto styles for your choices.
These are the tips you need to remember when choosing a good quality solid surface product for your project. Hope it is helpful and informative to you. Thanks for watching guys. Be sure to subscribe, and we are going to have more about solid surface video coming up. If you have any question about this video, leave us comments below. Bye bye.